So student, we shall go through the index number. What is index number? Index number is statistical device that is very useful in our day-to-day life. It measures the level of change of price level or price level, up to what extent price level will change. We measure in terms of index number. And while we are going through the index number, it may be simple index or weighted index. While simple index we consider only the price of the commodity, but in case of weighted index we consider both price and quantity to find it out. It shows the wholesale index, retail cost of living, or wholesale price level, retail price level, cost of living of the people, that can be shown with the help of the index number. But while constructing the index number, we may face some problems are there. What various difficulties may arise. First of all, for which purpose you are selecting the index number, whether for the retail purpose or wholesale price or retail price or cost of living, that's a very important one. Second one is to select the average. Which average is we have to select to find out the index number, whether you are selecting the simple arithmetic mean or we are selecting the geometric mean to find out the index number. Geometric mean is the best way to finding out the index number, but in certain cases the index number given by the various statisticians, they are taking the arithmetic mean to measure the index number. Next one, the goods, what are we select, the selective items that we are taking, that should be available in the base period as well as the current period. So while we are constructing the index number, we are taking two time period, base year as well as the current year. The base year and current year should be free from all types of inexactness, all type of difficulties like natural calamities, cyclone, flood, drought, and war, internal disturbances, that should be free from that. Next one, the selective items, representative items, that should be available both in the base period as well as the current period. So while we are going through the index number, we may face a lot of difficulties, and in order to avoid such difficulties, you must to take some precaution to find it out. Let us discuss the definition of index number. The number which indicates the value of a variable affected at a particular time in terms of percentage of its value that stood on different time is called index number. While we are going through the index number, up to what extent the variable is changing, and with the passage of time we observe, but we must to take the in term of percentage. The base is always 100, and up to what extent it is changing, must to consider that. Let us discuss the features of the index number. What should be the features of the index number? It is used to compute the value of phenomena such as the cost of living, price level, business, and economic activity. So index number is very useful for the construction to find out the cost of living, up to what extent the price level will change, and it is useful for the businessmen and economic activities of the nation. And we can find up to what extent there is the change in the price level, that's mean inflation or deflation, and the government is taking accordingly some measures. And we are studying the relative changes of various phenomena with the passage of time. So government must to formulate some policies regarding that to correct that such difficulties. It is expressed the result by common denominator 100. We must to consider or find out index number by taking in percentage, not in other term, but we are not giving the symbol of percentage, or rather but must to take 100 as the base, and we are calculating the index number. It measures the level of changes of income, volume and value, that it measures the changes in the income level, volume and value, that measures in terms of index number. So you people see that's what are the features of the index number. Index number is useful for the studying of the change of price level, cost of living, business activities, economic activities, and we study this phenomena over the passage of time. It expressed in terms of common denomination, that is 100, and you see the measures of the level of changes of income, volume and value, that expressed in terms of index number. Now we see the uses of index number. It is used to measure the changes of the wholesale price level, because wholesale price level is available easily in the both base period as well the current period. Retail price level difficult to find it out. It is used to measure the standard of living of the people. Up to what extent the standard of living is improving or degrading, we can measure in terms of index number. It is useful for the government to make various policies. Why government observe the various difficulties like the inflation, deflation, and take the corrective measures by publishing the economic policy for the index number. So the economists, psychologists, and sociologists study the various condition of the life with the help of the index number. Various experts are there studying the various condition of the life with the help of index number, and they take the corrective measures. So we see, while the methods for studying of index number, there are two methods for the studying of index number: simple index number and weighted index number. Simple index number, we consider only the price of the commodity, and in weighted index number, both we take the price and the quantity. Simple index number P01 equal to summation P1 by summation P0 into 100. P1 is the price of the current year and P0 is the price of the base year. And weighted index number, we are taking particular three types of index number. That's Laspeyres index, Paasche index, and Fisher index. Laspeyres index, here we take the price and quantity of both the base year and the current year. And Paasche index also, and Fisher index, you are taking the root over of the multiplication of both Laspeyres and Paasche. So Fisher index is the best index because that is based on the root over. And we are taking the various tests of the index number. Circular test is there, test for accuracy, whether the formula is good or wrong. But you see that Fisher index is the best index because that is based on the root over. So we go through the definition of index number, its features and uses, and various difficulties for the construction of index number. So you people understand regarding this index number. This much for